Okay, we're replacing this broken Lexus sign. So what I like to do is spray some water, some heat gun all around it. I did kind of heat it before I showed you guys. So just heat it really good. You don't want to go crazy. Hair dryer will work too. And once you do that, we do got a new Lexus sign. I'm gonna get that so you guys can see all of it. And my lighting, I don't know why my lighting's always like that. 1, 2, 3, there you go, that's better. And once it's hot, this thing should come right off, so it has better holes. So I'm gonna clean the crap out of this. So heat is the key here, but you don't want to burn the paint. And what I like to do is get a wet rag. If it's not wet, put some water on it. And clean as much as you can. It's gotta be nice and clean, okay? All that glue's gotta come off. Let's try it here one more time. You can even do it with your hand. Just don't scrape it. Then you'll leave signs behind. So very firm. Grab it with your nails if you can. Don't burn yourself. So keeping the heat on, and you don't want to melt the paint either, because it's kind of burns your hands. There you go. Throw some of this all around it, because you don't want the heat to affect the area that doesn't need to get heated. So let's focus on one spot at a time. So I'm going to just focus up here first. And you see how it's going away little by little. This is soft. This is not going to damage it. I'm gonna focus more on this area now, and then I'll get like a parts cleaner, and that should do the rest of the job for me. So let's just focus in this area right now. Let's get it really kind of nice and warm. It's only a glue, double-sided tape glue. Okay. It's kind of hot. I got it a little too hot, so I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna turn my heat gun off. So what I'll do is I'll use some parts cleaner now, just to finish it off. So onto the rag, not to the car, and this will make things a lot better for you. It will eat that glue off. And if this doesn't work, you're just gonna have to keep it going. And it's coming along. Not the way I would plan, but it's coming along. There you go. That did it right there. That really did it. Once it moves the glue and then it gets underneath, it's no longer sticky, okay? That's what this baby does. So I'm gonna do a little bit more, and then we're gonna come back once it's nice and clean. So you're gonna just continue to do this. So my can is kind of finished. I was using the last of it. And it's looking a lot better. So I'm gonna clean this up really good, and then I'll show you guys. So here we are. Lexus sign, logo, emblem, part number. This is a 2003 Lexus ES300. So we're gonna place that. So we got 2 little notches that goes into one each hole. The key is there to clean it really well. So what I want to do here is I want to give it one last touch, and I want to wipe it down. And then you don't want. Okay. What I want to do is I'm gonna heat this up. What this is gonna do is, 1 is gonna dry it up for you. 2 is gonna heat the glue on the new emblem, and it's gonna stick better. So hair dryer will work. There you go, nice and warm. If it's a sunny day, you do it outside, and that will help you out. And we're gonna leave it there. So all you do is you peel this little guy. It's very simple. You peel it, you line the 2 notches, and the Toyota emblem sticks right on. Bada bing, bada boom. There you go, guys. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Subscribe, share, and like. Let me show you guys a good look up close and personal, and we did it. There you go. It's nice and shiny. Thank you for watching my video.